Guys, parang malapit na tayo.
Sigurado ba rito, Mia?
May tao kaya sa loob?
Baka dapat bumalik na lang tayo. How University.
May mga pinto na kapag sumara, iba ka na paglabas.
Ano nangyayari? Ang big...
Kapag alas 7, Bayan University. Mag-ingat kayo.
Tama ba itong pinasok namin? Hindi kaya ikapahangkot namin to?
Good evening, newbies. I am Madame Violet. We are not your conventional university. You should know our one and only rule. 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. is what we call bloody night. You are free to do whatever you want within that time frame. Legal ang pagpatay. Welcome to Hell University.